Now today, it is important when we congregate here that we set out some things that are very key and germane to the people of Kenya. Wakardinali have sung here, and there is one song that Wakardinali sings about, Subaru ya Mambaru, Subaru ya Mambaru. It is about the challenges our people are facing in the hands of the police. We've turned our police not to be a service, but to become an instrument of oppression. It is used as an instrument by legacy politicians to harass, to intimidate, to kill our young people. We must say that will not happen, and we must put a stop to it. What is our promise as Safina? This is what we are saying. Young people, Gen Z, Gen Z, Gen Z, Gen Z. This is our promise. If education is a service, if health is a service, if police is meant to be a service, tell me, my young people, every educational center, every school has a board made up of the people. Every health center has a board made up of the people. Every police station should have a people's board. That people's board should be able to be the supervisor of all police stations, made up of the citizens in that locality. When we say that the police are killing our people, they are arresting them, where is accountability? They say orders from above. We are proposing and we are saying the above must be the people. Every OCPD in this country should be elected by the people of that division. We give power back to the people. That is our promise on security.